What's up YouTube, VST here at PC Tech. This is the iPhone 14, 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, 14 Pro Plus, and there are quite many. It's really exciting, guys, because Apple did it again. I just learned that all the US iPhones are going to be shipped only with eSIM, which was, I think, very obvious. But just think, Apple ditched the headphone jack, then they ditched the chargers, and then they are now ditching the physical SIM, which was really not so hard to do, but nobody else really would dare to do so without support of carriers and etc. And there are plenty of new things, probably plenty of old things, but I want to talk about something that really caught my attention, guys. That is the dynamic island. Let's find out more about this dynamic island, and then I'm gonna let you know why do I think this is gonna be really key, and not only key for Apple iPhone users, but also apparently for us Android users. Yeah, let's have a look.
Our goal was to design a space that clearly and consistently surfaces alerts and background activity.
So this new notch,
in a
guys,
rich and delightful way.
this new notch
The result being an entirely
is the
new
dynamic
and
island.
way to interact with the iPhone.
Listen,
One that truly blurs the line between hardware and software.
this is really
We're calling
genius.
it the
Dynamic island.
We've designed this new space to be highly adaptive, so it can fluidly expand into different shapes using uniquely crafted animations and transitions. So now, when you receive an alert, the dynamic island
Genius.
expands to notify you.
That guy's
Our
genius.
ambition is to clearly convey the information
Mark my words.
and present content and controls without distracting from the app you're in. This works across the entire system for things like confirming your AirPods are connected,
This is really
muting,
genius, guys.
or starting a charge.
Okay, yeah.
Each alert has its own personality, and it's been designed with its own unique character, making it easy to
Well, what can I tell you, guys? Like I said in the beginning, there are really plenty of things why one Apple user should be excited, because there are plenty of new things like the A16 Bionic chip. Android users are even not in a position to beat A13 and 14. All-day battery life, the MagSafe, the action mode, which can probably replace the GoPro, improved camera, new screen with 2000 nits peak outdoor brightness. Boom, crazy insane. So they have some new cameras and etc. And also, like, the screen doesn't really have to use like Gorilla does. They have another technology, really should be rock solid. But why I do believe that they are pulling in the trick, because first they are widely adopting the eSIM, and then this dynamic island. And mark my words, guys, I expect to have Android applications porting this functionality and putting it everywhere on our Android devices. Here, that's the Pixel. All right, I do have here also my Z Flip. Right, I would love to see something like this. Right, well, it's going to be hard to integrate this because of these punch holes and this kind of new notch that Apple invented. Yeah, which really reminds me on some old Huawei and Samsung phones. Complementing software with hardware, genius. Very simple yet very efficient. And I can tell you, the dynamic island is gonna be a big hit. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. And yeah, I'm looking forward to buy a new iPhone and test it, guys. Let's see if that's doable. VST over and